I've been on Upwork for over 15 years. I've completed more than 1,400 jobs. I've earned over $1 million on the platform. And recently I analyzed 4,281 proposals and profile patterns. And here is something most freelancers do not realize in 2026. Your profile is no longer just a resume. It is no longer just a portfolio. Your profile is now a data system. And if that system is not set up correctly, you don't just lose jobs, you don't even get seen. Because before clients ever click your profile, AI is deciding whether you are relevant enough to show. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an Upwork profile that actually gets job offers in 2026. Not based on theories, not based on random advice, based on what I am seeing from real patterns. Because if you are still building your profile the same way you did a few years ago, you are probably missing one of the biggest shifts happening on Upwork right now. What changed? Let's start with what changed, because this matters. First big change, specialized profiles are gone. Everything now lives under one main profile, which means your profile carries all your ranking power. Everything. Your title, your keywords, your portfolio, your work history, your skills. Everything is feeding into one system. Second big change. Skills increased from 15 to 20, and most freelancers are still only using 15. That means they are leaving opportunities on the table, because every skill is another keyword. Every keyword is another possible match. Every match increases visibility. Third big change, AI. AI now scans profiles, reads proposals, matches keywords, measures relevance, dynamically decides who gets shown. That means your profile is no longer written only for humans. It's written for AI systems, search ranking, intent matching, relevance scoring. Profile photo. Now let's build your profile, starting with your profile photo. This sounds simple, but it matters more than what people think. Clients often decide very quickly whether they want to click your profile or not, sometimes in just a few seconds, and your photo creates that first impression. You do not need expensive photography, a studio. What works is natural light, clean background, looking directly at the camera, clear headshot, friendly expression. Simple win. Avoid sunglasses, logos, heavy filter. Profile title. This is one of the most important sections of your profile because AI heavily indexes profile titles. Most freelancers waste this section. They write freelancer, creative expert, digital professional. Those do not tell clients anything, and they do not tell AI anything either. Instead, use primary skill plus niche plus outcome. For example, WordPress developer / landing pages / fast turnaround. Video editor / YouTube growth / reel and shorts. Now, both AI and clients immediately understand what you do, your overview. This is where I see many freelancers lose opportunity because only the first part of your overview appears when people click read more. Most people start with, "Hi, I am passionate about helping businesses. I have years of experience. I would love to help you." That doesn't work anymore. Instead, focus on outcomes. For example, the e-commerce brand I work with increased lead generation by 35% within 60 days. Immediately, the client understands the benefit. Proof beats promise. After your opening, you need proof, because proof beats promises, always. Instead of saying, "I deliver quality work," use "built 80 websites, edited 200 YouTube videos, reduced onboarding time by 40%, generated $47,000 during a launch." Because numbers create trust, trust creates clicks, and click Create Opportunities. Organize your services. Next, organize your services into categories. For example, website design, video editing, e-learning development. Then under each category, explain what you offer, because categories help both AI and clients understand your profile faster. Tools matter. Now, let's talk about something freelancers miss constantly. Tools. AI reads tools as keywords. If a client posts Elementor, WordPress, CapCut, Storyline, and those tools are missing from your profile, you may never appear. List everything relevant: WordPress, Elementor, CapCut, Adobe Premiere, ChatGPT, Storyline, Rise 360, Descript, Midjourney. Every tool matters. Your process. Clients want simplicity. They want to know what happens after they hire you. Keep it simple. 3 steps. Discovery, build, launch. Discovery. Understand goals. Build. Show progress. Communicate. Launch. Deliver. Support. Simple process, reduce friction. Call to action. Most freelancers end weak. They say, let me know if interested. Instead, guide the client. Say, send me a message with your project details, and I will reply within a timeline and action plan within 24 hours. Now you are directing the next step. Skills. Fill all 20 slots. Use core services, tools, deliverables, AI-related skills. Because AI skills are increasingly important, even if AI only supports your workflow. List it. Portfolio. This is one of the most underused sections on Upwork, but one of the most important. Every project should explain what the client needs, what challenge exists, what you delivered, and what results happened. Do not just upload pictures. Tell a story. Biggest shift? You are not building a profile. You are building a pattern. Every keyword, portfolio item, project, skills, job that you accept, you are training the system. Over time, the system starts saying one of the 2 things. This freelancer is clear and easy to match, or this freelancer is scattered and difficult to place. Many freelancers struggle because they try to do everything: website design, SEO, social media, video editing, virtual assistant, and then they wonder why they feel invisible, because AI cannot categorize them. Remember, being specific beats vagueness. Relevant beats creativity. Proof beats promises. Systems beat random effort. If your profile is not getting viewed, if you are not getting replies, if you are not getting invitations, it not automatically means that you're not talented. Usually it means your profile is not aligned. And when you align it, everything starts changing. More impressions, more click, more responses, more opportunities. And that is exactly what we are diving deeper into my monthly reset. I walk you through real profiles live and show exactly what I would fix, because freelancing in 2026 is not about working harder. It's about understanding the system. And once you understand the system, you stop guessing and you start building something that actually works. Until next time, be freelantastic.